To enable or disable camera flash notification in Samsung Galaxy S10, open Settings. Swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Tap Advanced Settings. Tap Flash Notification. To enable on camera flash switch, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Okay, let's try. I use timer in 10 seconds. Okay, start. If you disable camera flash turn off. Okay, let's try again. Disable camera flash notification. Camera flash notification turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.